Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic, and this is the final video in the neck range of motion series. It doesn't really have to do too much with the neck as much as it has to do with the shoulders, but the shoulders and the neck have muscles that attach from one end to the other. So like a muscle will go from a shoulder to the neck and vice versa. So this motion is pretty simple. It's just rounding of the shoulders going back and forward. You want to make sure that when you're doing the motion that you're getting the full range. So go all the way forward and then all the way back, and then change the direction as well, going all the way forward and all the way back. You might feel some cracks or pops. It does feel pretty good, and it's a nice little stretch that you can do. You go back and forth, do like 10 forward and then 10 backward. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask. Otherwise, I'm your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.